Picture this: a young, high-earning couple without children racks up a grocery bill that's shockingly low compared to what you'd expect. It's a lifestyle choice that flips the script on family budgeting, and it might just make you rethink your own habits. But here's where it gets controversial: are they thrifty geniuses or just indulging in a privileged freedom that not everyone can afford? Let's dive in and uncover the details. Meet Ed McKnight, a 33-year-old economist, finance podcaster, and YouTuber, who shares his life in Oraikai, Auckland, with his wife Angela, a 29-year-old financial advisor focused on investments. They do their shopping at New World Eastridge, and Ed shared these insights in a chat with Polly Wenlock. He admits right away that their grocery routine stands out from the norm. Without kids and on a solid income, their weekly food expenses hover around just $147, a figure that might surprise you, especially if you're picturing lavish spreads. Now, Ed doesn't want you to think they're bragging about superior money skills. Instead, he sees their approach as embracing a more extravagant side. "We're actually pretty spendthrift," he says. "We splash out on dining out frequently. It's all about choosing a different path in life, where priorities shift away from strict penny pinching." To put this in context, Ed reflects on his upbringing. His family of 6 stuck rigidly to a $100 weekly budget, no matter how costs climbed, because his dad was laser-focused on crushing their mortgage debt quickly. This meant his mom relied heavily on home-cooked meals to stretch every dollar. For Ed and Angela, though, whipping up dinner at home isn't the main event. It's reserved for fun or special gatherings, like hosting relatives on a Sunday afternoon. One of his go-to recipes: a succulent leg of lamb paired with salty roast potatoes, straight out of the playbook of his Aunt Irene on her small Howrah farm. And this is the part most people miss: their financial philosophy revolves around saving up front and spending what's left. Every payday, Ed sets aside 20 to 25% of his earnings directly into investments. Only then does he enjoy the rest without guilt. It's a straightforward strategy that ensures long-term security before indulging in the present. Let's break down their daily eats for a clearer picture. Ed kicks off each morning with a consistent, nutritious bowl: 65 g of oats, 250 milliliters of oat milk, 50 g of frozen blueberries, half a scoop of protein powder, and a spoonful of peanut butter. It's a simple, energizing routine that powers him through the day. Lunches. Often, they're not about homemade frugality. The duo frequently grabs meals at work, easily shelling out $18 to $20 each day. And dinners? They lean on convenient frozen options. This past week, for instance, they opted for ready-made meals on Monday and Thursday evenings. Tuesday saw Ed in Christchurch on business, with the company footing the bill for his dinner. Wednesday brought a work-sponsored event. Then, the weekend ramped up the social scene. Friday was Ed's birthday outing to Guilt, a upscale spot, while Saturday and Sunday involved catching up with old pals over meals. Their everyday preference, though, is a cozy Chinese hotpot joint. For regular weeknight dinners, they subscribe to Swole Foods, a meal service that delivers frozen, gym-friendly options averaging about $16 per meal. This isn't just about ease, it's a time saver that cuts down on temptations like ordering from Uber Eats or DoorDash. These meals, popular among fitness enthusiasts, come with detailed nutritional breakdowns on the packaging, highlighting fats, sugars, and proteins. Ed's top pick: the Southern-style chicken, featuring tender chicken in gravy alongside plenty of kamara, a sweet potato variety. He also enjoys the braised beef with mash. They've been firm with the service: skip the blue cheese chicken pasta forever, we're not fans. When it comes to actual groceries, they splurge a bit more on premium personal care items. Think high-quality vitamins and supplements. They've recently added apple cider vinegar gummies per their personal trainer's recommendation. Ed even dropped $20 on Gaviscon for heartburn relief. It reminds him of his old Irish grandpa's reliance on quickies, proving that digestive woes aren't just for the elderly. Even a 33-year-old entrepreneur like him deals with them. So, what's the takeaway here? Ed and Angela's story highlights how income level, life stage, and priorities can reshape normal spending. But is this approach sustainable for everyone, or does it highlight an inequality where only the well-off can afford such flexibility? Do you admire their save-first mentality, or do you see it as a risky gamble that ignores the joys of home cooking? Could their low grocery bill inspire you to audit your own habits, or do you think they're missing out on the warmth of family meals? Share your views in the comments, agreement or disagreement, we'd love to hear it. If you'd like to join our Receipt Reveal series and share your own spending story, drop an email to receiptreveal@tvnz.co.nz. Just include your phone number and let us know where you live in New Zealand.